Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Myself Sneha Devdare, your maths teacher. So students, we will start with our math subject. Take out your saffron textbook, dear students. Sit straight. Pay attention. Keep writing materials with you. Okay, so students, in our last period we have learnt properties of subtraction. What we have learnt? Properties of subtraction. What are the three properties of subtraction? Yes, subtracting of 0, then subtraction of 1 and subtracting a number from itself. See, what is subtracting 0? Whenever you will subtract 0 from any number, the answer you will get the same number. And second, whenever you will subtract 1 from any number, the answer you will get the number just before the given number. And third, subtracting a number from itself. If both the numbers are same, whenever you will subtract the same number from the number itself, the always answer is 0. Okay? Got it? जब भी आप 0 सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हो कौन से भी नंबर में से, तब आंसर आपको क्या मिलेगा? यस, 0 ही मिलेगा. और जब आप 1 सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे तो आंसर आपको क्या मिलेगा? जो दिया हुआ नंबर है ना, उसके जस्ट पहले जो नंबर आता है वो आंसर आपको मिलेगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट, जब दोनों नंबर सेम हो और आप सब्ट्रैक्शन कर रहे हो, सेम नंबर में से सेम नंबर माइनस कर रहे हो, तो आंसर आपको क्या मिलेगा? 0. ओके, सो दिस विल बी हेल्पफुल फॉर योर क्विक solving sums. Okay, there is one video I will play.
Properties of subtraction. Let us subtract 0 from a number. When 0 is subtracted from a number, the answer is the number itself. Let's see the example. Fabia and Manji are playing together. Fabia has 3 toy cars. She does not give any car to Manji to play with. How many toy cars are left with Fabia? Fabia has 3 cars left with her. Since Fabia has not given any cars to Manji, he is left with all the 3 cars. Let us see the subtraction of 1 from a number. When 1 is subtracted from a number, the answer is the number just before that number. Consider this situation. Fabia gives 1 toy car to Manji. How many cars is Fabia left with? 1 toy car is removed from 3 toy cars. Fabia is left with 2 toy cars. Let us see the subtraction of a number from itself. When a number is subtracted from itself, the answer is always 0. Think about this condition. Fabia gives all the toy cars to Manji. How many toy cars Fabia is left with? All the 2 toy cars are given to Manji. 2 toy cars are removed from 2 toy cars. When a number is subtracted from itself, the answer is always 0. The word subtraction comes from the Latin word subtrahere.
One more time.
Properties of subtraction. Let us subtract 0 from a number. When 0 is subtracted from a number, the answer is the number itself. Let's see the example. Fabia and Manji are playing together. Fabia has 3 toy cars. She does not give any car to Manji to play with. How many toy cars are left with Fabia? Fabia has 3 cars left with her. Since Fabio has not given any cars to Manjeet, he is left with all the 3 cars. Let us see the subtraction of 1 from a number. When 1 is subtracted from a number, the answer is the number just before that number. Consider this situation. Fabio gives 1 toy car to Manjeet. How many cars is Fabia left with? 1 toy car is removed from 3 toy cars. Fabia is left with 2 toy cars. Let us see the subtraction of a number from itself. When a number is subtracted from itself, the answer is always 0. Think about this condition. Fabia gives all the toy cars to Manjeet. How many toy cars Fabia is left with? All the 2 toy cars are given to Manjeet. 2 toy cars are removed from 2 toy cars. When a number is subtracted from itself, the answer is always 0. The word subtraction comes from the Latin word subtrahere.
Got it, students? So these were the properties of subtraction. Okay? Next, my practice time 6. My practice time 6. Okay? Fill in the boxes. Can you see a blank boxes? There you have to fill the answer or numbers you have to fill. First, 4 minus 1. Okay? See, these all sums, they are dependent on the properties of subtraction. Okay? 4 minus 1. When you subtract 1 from number, the answer what you get? Yes, it is just before the given number. Which is the number? 4. Before 4 what comes? 3. So 3 is the answer. See, let us see on the finger. 4 minus 1. 3. Okay? Correct? Next. 3 minus dash is equal to 0. Okay? See, 3 minus dash is 0. Minus dash is 0. See, when you will get answer as 0, आपको आंसर 0 कब मिलता है? Yes? When you will get? Yes, when same number is subtracted from number itself, then you will get answer as 0. So 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay, write it. Finish. Next, dash minus 1 is equal to 4. Dash minus 1 is equal to 4. देखो ये सारे थोड़े से confusion है, लेकिन आप अच्छे से देखोगे, observation करोगे तो जल्दी से solve करने आएगा. Dash minus 1 is equal to 4. Okay, what they have subtracted? 1 they have subtracted. What? 1. Okay, and what is the property of 1? Yes, if you will subtract 1 from any number, you will get the answer just before the given number. Okay, now your given number is not there. What is the answer then? 4. तो यहाँ इस पर से हमें समझना चाहिए कि ये जो given number नहीं है, लेकिन given number के जो पहला number होता है वो 4 है. तो आफ्टर नंबर क्या आएगा? 5. ओके, सो 5 minus 1 is 4. Come on, right? Next, 7 minus 7. Both the numbers are same. What you will get answer? 0. Come on, right? Finish it fast. Next, 5 minus dash is equal to 5. See, remember the properties? Yes, if you subtract 0 from any number, then answer you will get same number. See, here same number is there, number given is also there and answer is also same. So what comes? 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. Okay. Next, dash minus 0 is 4. Dash minus 0 is 4. See, when you will subtract 0 from any number, then same number when you get? Yes, the given number is also should be same. Come on, write. Come on, do it fast. Okay, next. Dash minus 2 is equal to 0. When you will get answer as 0? Yes, when both the numbers are same and you subtract them, the answer you will get 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay, next. 10 minus 0. 10 minus 0. If you subtract 0 from any number, then answer what you will get? Same number. Which is the same number? 10. Okay. Next, 9 minus dash is 8. See, 9 and 8. 8 is just before 9. When these things will happen? Yes, when you subtract 1. Come on, write. Do it fast. 2 minus 2, 0. 10 minus 0, 10. 9 minus 1. Copy the numbers properly without doing any mistakes. Done, children? Okay. Now, okay, so these were all the things which we learned in the subtraction. See, we will have a short summary. What I learnt or what we learnt in this chapter. Subtraction up to 20. Can you see a heading? Yes. What are the things we learned? First, using number strip. Okay. How you can do subtraction by using number strip, that we have learned. How you can do subtraction by using number strip? See, if suppose this is the number strip. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is the number strip, small. I want to subtract 4 minus 2. How much? Okay, so what we have to do? Yes, we have to start from the first number. Where is the first number? Here. How many times you have to go forward? Am I correct? Forward? No. Subtraction means backward. Yes. Go back. How many steps? 2 steps. So 1, 2. What is the answer? 2. Okay? Got it? This was about using number strip. Next, what we have learned? Subtraction by crossing out. What? By crossing out. See, 6 minus 3. Okay, 6 minus 3. How you will do subtraction? By crossing out? Yes, how you will do? Come on, tell me. Yes, you will draw the lines or circles. Come on. Here how many are there? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 you have to cancel. Which side? This side or this side? right side. 1, 2, 3. How many are remaining? 3. Okay, instead of lines you can draw circle also. So this was about the crossing out. You can cross out the lines, circles, or else if they have given the pictures you can give cross out the pictures. Next, by counting backward. Okay, by counting backward, what we have to do, children? See, 12 minus 3. How you will do by counting backward? Yes, start from given number and move 3 steps backward. Okay, now start from 12. 3 times back. 11, 10, 9. So 9 is the answer. Okay, this was one method, and one more method. 12 number keep in mind. 3 fingers. Count yes before 12. Okay, start. 11, 10, 9. So 9 is the answer. Got it? This was about counting backward. Next, vertical subtraction. Vertical subtraction. Vertical means what? Yes, numbers are arranged in standing way. Okay, so I will write here 15 minus 3. Okay, divide this 15 in tens and ones first. Ones place where it is? Right, and tens left. Okay, yes, start from ones place. 5 minus 3, 2, and here tens place only 1 is there, there is no number, so 1. So answer is what? Yes, 12. Okay, this was about the vertical subtraction. Next, horizontal subtraction. What? Horizontal subtraction. Yes, numbers are arranged in which manner? Yes, slipping. See, 6 minus 4. How much? 6 minus 4, how much? Do on fingers. 6 minus 4. 1, 2. So 2 is the answer. Okay, this is horizontal subtraction. Next, what we have learned? Properties of subtraction. Okay, subtracting 0. When you subtract 0 from any number, what you will get answer? Yes, same number. Okay, next, subtracting 1 from a number. 4 minus 1. What comes before 4? 3. So 4 minus 1 is 3. See, 4 minus 1, 3. Subtracting a number from itself. 9 minus 9. Okay? 9 minus 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many remaining? Nothing. Nothing means 0. Okay? So these are the properties. Understood? So these many concepts we have learned in the subtraction chapter. Okay? Subtraction using number strip, subtraction by crossing out, subtraction by counting backward, subtraction, vertical subtraction, horizontal subtraction, and properties of subtraction. Okay? Subtract means what, children? Yes, subtract means to take away, to minus, to remove. Okay? Now, my learning beyond. Now, what are the things that we learn beyond from this? See, subtraction. Given below are the subtraction facts for numbers 1, 2 and 6. See, these are some facts about those numbers. See, subtraction fact for number 1. 1 minus 0, how much? When we subtract 0, which number you get? 1. Now 1 minus 1, how much? 0. Okay, this was subtraction fact about the 1. Now 2. Okay, now start from 0. Okay, start subtracting from 0 first. 2 minus 0, how much? 2. Now after 0 what comes? 1. Now subtract 1 from 2, how much? Yes, just before the given number. What? 1. Yes. Next, now after 1 comes 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Okay? So this is the subtraction fact for what? 2. Now after 2 comes 3. Can we do? 2 में से हम 3 माइनस कर सकते हैं? नहीं. So this is wrong. Okay? So till here only subtraction fact can be done for 2. Okay? Next. Now we will see subtraction fact for 6. Start from 0. 6 minus 0. How much? 6. Now 0 after 0 comes 1. 6 minus 1. The number before 6 what? 5. After 6 2. Sorry, after 1 2. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. Yes, 4. Now 3 we will take. 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3. 3. Now 4. 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4. 2. Now we will take 5. 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5. 1. 6 minus 6. 0. Okay? Got it, everyone? See. Now, if suppose I will take now 6 minus 7. Can we do? 6 minus 7. Can we subtract? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 can we do? No. So this is wrong. So till here only we can form the subtraction fact of 6. Can you see your numbers, students? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? And from below 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Same like this we can find the subtraction fact for many numbers. Okay? Now find the subtraction fact for numbers 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay? And write in the notebook. No need to write now. Okay, one more example we will take from this. Which one we will take? We will take 4. Okay. Now subtraction fact for 4. Start from 0. 4 minus 0. How much? Good. 4. Now 1. 4 minus 1. The number just comes before 4. 3. Now 2. 4 minus 2. 2. Now 3. 4 minus 3. 1. Now 4 minus 4. 0. Okay. Now 4 minus 5. Can I do? No. So till here only we can do the subtraction fact for 4. Okay. See, 4 minus 0 4. 4 minus 1 3. 4 minus 2 is 2. 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 minus 4 is 0. Can you see your numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And here 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Got it? So students, in our this period we have done with our practice time 6. Okay. Sums of all the subtraction properties, and also we have seen the short summary of what we have learnt in this whole chapter, and also we have learned some subtraction facts, that is my learning beyond. Okay. So this was all about subtraction chapter. So here we will end with our chapter number 3, that is subtraction up to 20. Hope you all have understood. Thank you.